So today, I get to start up our Honda 2000 generator for the very first time. It's completely clean, just got it from Amazon. There's no fluids in it whatsoever. So I just picked up some engine oil and I got some fuel yesterday. So let's go ahead and see how this thing works. It's supposed to run really quietly. And we spent a little extra and got the one with the 30 amp plug, so you don't have to use a 20 amp adapter all the time. So let's see how this thing works. Hopefully it works on the first try. Okay, so I overfilled it with oil a little bit, so I just kind of let it drain back out. The description in the book is not all that clear. Of course, there's me blaming the book instead of blaming me. Engine set to on. Eco throttle's off. Not starting. Not sure why yet. Finally got it to start. I guess I wasn't pulling the starter handle in the right position, so pulled it straight out rather than to an angle, and it started right up. It's a little louder than I expected. I'm covering the GoPro because it's quite windy out here. It's a little louder than I expected, but it seems to be working great. So remember what I said about spending the extra money for the generator with the 30 amp connection plug? Well, it has a marine 30 amp plug. We of course have a standard 30 amp. So we spent basically an extra $100 for something that we can't use. So I got to go up and see if I could find a 30 amp marine to standard adapter. Looks like we're going to have to use one after all. But I mean, we're not going to use this generator unless we absolutely have to. Solar is still going to be our primary power source, so we won't use this all that often. So the occasional time where we need it, we'll just use the adapter. Otherwise, it'll just sit there and do nothing. So off to the store I go.
A program of the Ticket to Dream Foundation. Right now, Mattress Firm is opening its doors, and it's hard to collect pajamas. So foster.
Alright, I have the generator plugged in. It's on through the adapter. Let's go inside. And looky there. We have beautiful generated power through our Honda 2000 that I managed to set up correctly today. Actually, the voltage is pretty high. You might want to make sure that that's normal and it's not going to cause any issues, but I think we're good to go. That was strangely easy. Cost a little bit more money than we expected, but hey, what are you gonna do? Actually, let me try the solar, see how much it's, plus 4.2. Actually, we have 96% battery, so that's not a good number yet. We will retest that, see how much it actually feeds into our battery bank. But cool, I'm happy.